Panensa is a company established in June 2006 in Prijeblje, municipality of Srbac. It was established by Panefin Srbac and Ensa,
which acts as a part of affiliation Sava Kranj, Republic of Slovenia.
According to strategic and long-term commitment to develop energetic sector in Republic of Srpska and in the region, its creators pay attention to naturally reproductive resources of energy.
Main products of Panensa are pellets and briquettes for the needs of industry and households as well.
Energetic value of the pellets is 19.4 megajoule per kilogram.
Or compared, 2 kilograms of pellets replace 1 liter of light distillate oil or 0.9 liter of propane-butane gas. It is simple for use and its price is considerably lower than the price of other energy-generating products.
It is produced from the residuals of primary and final wood processing. Panensa has contacts with more than 300 suppliers of raw material all over Republic of Srpska. Transport is done by specialized containers and transport standards are in compliance with European Union directives.
During the takeover of raw materials, a verification and control of its quality is being done. Afterwards, the raw material goes under the process of sieving. There is a possibility of milling, grinding the peel bark, which then becomes a biomass. Wooden biomass is classified according to its quality and the type of the wood, and it is disposed in special warehouses.
Then a process of dosing follows and drying in the dryers with a flow which are specialized for this purpose.
This raw material is ready for production. A process of pressing in pellets machine follows with the constant computer monitoring, then control of the quality of final products in specially occupied labs, and then a process of packing.
Packing can be in a bag of 15 kg, sack of 1 ton, or packing which is designed by your wish. After that, pellet is ready for stocking and transport to the final consumers.
Consumers can be plants of cogeneration, hydroelectric power plants, small thermal systems and systems of aerial heating, schools, hospitals, and other facilities.
Biomass provides job for local people, increases economy power in its own region and decreases of import dependence.
Plants with biomass reduce the effects of greenhouses and substitute the fossil fuels
with renewable energy.
Biomass is CO2 neutral, namely during combustion only the quantity of CO2 which was prior to that taken up from the air through photosynthesis is released.
Biomass can be produced also from the processing of other types of plants.
Energy can be produced also by using other renewable sources of energy, namely hydro, geothermal, solar, or the energy of the wind. The development of this project is nevertheless in interest of our affiliation.
The agreement from Kyoto, which was by now ratified by 182 countries of the world, and Bosnia and Herzegovina is among them, envisaged the limitation of emission of burnt gases in the atmosphere, above all carbon dioxide, which has an impact on the creation of so-called greenhouse effect and the global warming.
European Union has an obligation to reduce a total emission for 8% by the year 2012 compared with the year 1990.
European Commission has already in 2001 set forward an action plan by which by the year of 2020 replacement of 20% fossil fuels with adequate fuels obtained from renewable sources is planned.
Also, certain bonus and different kinds of benefits are available to all consumers who use energy from naturally reproductive resources, and so-called dirty consumers have clear deadlines to make a transition to ecologically acceptable fuels.
The Panefin Panensa affiliation has already started with process of forming an institution of renewable sources of energy and creation of technological park in order to systematically improve conditions to reach planned goals regarding renewable sources of energy.
Institution for Reproductive Resources and Technological Park will help in researching and development and also in creating conditions for faster transformation to biological fuels and the development of new projects, availing and taking care of new potentials and production of pure energy.
Thereby forming a base of experts from those areas and possibility of transition of the system know-how from the countries from the European Union will be ensured.
For accomplishing all these goals, an overall approach and involving of all stakeholders is necessary. On the other hand, European Union funds the financing these projects through several different components. With the process of European Union integration, there are possibilities of using many available funds, scientific research and compatible programs.
The goal of the Panensa affiliation is to be a development center for future implementation of these and similar projects in Republic of Srpska, BiH, as well as the whole region.
Successful implementation of our developmental projects seek for the society of knowledge. Therefore, we have aggressively started the training of the personnel, giving scholarships and encouraging young local experts to stay in this region and by that helping in developing of national economy.
On the other hand, our affiliation intensively helps the development of local community through recruiting of local personnel as well as through support of sport, cultural, artistic and other activities of local institutions, organizations and groups.
Eternal Life of the Fabric gives example of good management, develops relations among people, increases awareness of the importance of saving the environment, and by that brings the newest European and world standards to this region.
To be a partner of our affiliation
means to be a partner to the future.